Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B Pilates. This is your 10-minute good morning stretch. Obviously you can do it any time of the day. So bring your right foot forward. So we're going to go into a little gentle hip flexor and then into hamstrings. So just like moving forward and back just while we get a little bit warmed up with our mobility. Good, and then we're going to deepen that stretch. So we're going to take our back leg off the mat. So push forward, inhale, look up, and round the back, exhale, and forward, and back. Good, and you're just trying to get that front leg as straight as possible, obviously without kind of forcing anything. You don't want to hurt yourself. I'm not great in my hamstring flexibility. Now just hold here, breathe, relaxing the shoulders. Rebend that knee, left hand down, right arm opens. Just hold, straighten that back leg. Good, bring that back knee down and then come up. Keeping that right foot forward, take the arms forward, relax the shoulders. Right arm opens, follow it with your eyes. And bring it forward, relax. Left arm up, reach over to the right. Good, and come back. Let's swap sides, so left foot forward. Again, just moving forward and back. So this is quite a nice stretch to do after a workout as well, actually. But it's particularly nice in the morning when you just want to get the body a little bit warmed up for the day. Let's deepen that. So hands forward, lift the back knee. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, couple more. Inhale. Exhale, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good, hold here, take a breath. Place that knee down. Bring yourself up, arms forward, relax the shoulders, left arm opens, follow it with your eyes, close, lower, right arm up, reach over to the left. Good, and then come down. Come round to seated. So then come into Mermaid or Merman with your right leg forward, left leg back, and then try and get your pelvis parallel. So we're going to take our arms out, relax the shoulders. Inhale, exhale, hinge forward. Keep the head in line with the spine. Inhale. Exhale, as you hinge, you start to look down. Make sure the neck is longer than the chin isn't on the chest. Couple more. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Coming up. Now grab hold of that front shin. Place this foot on the mat. We're going to bring the knee down and up. So this is really great for hip mobility. Might be not very comfortable if you're not used to doing this move. Don't worry if you've got a smaller range of movement. And again, we'll notice on the other side whether one side is easier and more mobile than the other side. That's normal. Good. Place that knee back where it was. Take the arms out to the sides. Come over into a side body stretch. So you should have your right hand down. Inhale, open. Exhale, place the hands next to each other. Relax the shoulders. Turn in your torso as well. Inhale, open. Exhale, keep that spine long. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing. Long spine. Come back up. Reach over to the other side, which will feel a little bit more intense. And then swing the legs round. So again, already noticing whether this side is hard to sit up straight. So take the arms out, Inhale. Exhale forward, keeping the neck long. Nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale forward. Come back up. Inhale. Exhale forward. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Come up. Grab hold of that front shin. Place this foot on the mat. And I'm going to bring the knee up and down. This side is a little bit tighter for me. I feel I've got a little bit less mobility in this hip. Kind of a weird move, but it's nice for the hip joint. Good. Place that leg behind you. Bring the hand down or about a foot away from the body. Take a side body stretch. Then inhale, arms in line. Exhale, place the hand next to the other hand. And again, inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, one more. Inhale. Exhale, just holding here. Turning that torso. Come back up, take that side body stretch, a little bit more intense. Good. And then come up and then come out of that. And then come to a seated position. So sit up nice and tall, open the chest. Take a moment to assess your posture. I'm going to take an inhale. Exhale. Keep the spine long, looking straight ahead rather than round in the back. Just breathe, flexing those feet. Relaxing the shoulders, just breathing. Good. Come up, bring that right foot in, close to you, right hand behind you. Either wrap the left arm or left arm up, over, look to the right or look behind that shoulder. Sit up nice and tall, try not to be leaning back, and then activate that left leg by straightening the left leg, flexing the foot. Good, just twist a little bit further, center, and then swap over, turn around so I can see you. So left leg in, left hand behind you, wrap or up and over. Activate that leg that's on the mat, straighten it, flex the foot. Breathe, just twisting that a little bit more. Good. And then we're going to come down, hug the knees in, feet together, take big opposite circles with those knees. Just massaging the lower back and then reverse the circle. And again, just nice for hip mobility. Good, then place the feet on the mat, feet hip distance. We're just going to peel off the mat, getting a little bit of back mobility, squeeze the bottom, bring your hands underneath you, interlace the fingers, hold here, take a couple of breaths, make sure the chin isn't touching the chest. Imagine spiraling the inner thighs in towards each other, keep squeezing the bottom. Keep straightening those arms. One more. Inhale, exhale. Good. And release. Again, hug the knees in. And take a little rock from side to side. Good. And then you're going to rock yourself up. And then come up and over into 4-point kneeling. So just into some cat-cows. Inhale, lower the belly, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Good, then come to a flat back. Bring that left knee off the mat. Keep that knee bent as we just do some big circles just to mobilise that hip. Keep the core in, keep the arms strong. Reverse the circle. One more. Good. Place that left foot down. Take the right leg back, then lift the hips. Activating those abdominals. Bending one knee at a time. Keep pulling the belly in. Good. Now just hold here. Take a breath. Good. Bring the knees down. Let's do the other side. So tummy muscles in, strong arms, right leg, big circles. Keep breathing. Change direction. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. And then we're going to tuck the toes. Just come back. Just stretch out the feet. Sit on the heels if that's okay. You're just stretching out your feet. It might not be that comfortable if you don't stretch out your feet very much. Just hold. Breathe. Close the eyes if that feels good. Try not to just focus on the feet. Try to just think about something else. Focus on the breath. One more. Good. And then come forward, come round, bring one leg out to the side. So if you've got your right leg out to the side, you're going to place your right hand on the head. If your left leg is out to the side, left hand on the head. So inhale, exhale, inhale. Really open. Make sure you're turning the head to look up. Make sure you're not just opening that elbow. Couple more. One more. Good. And then just sit back. Get low if you can get low. Just be careful of any knee issues. Breathe. You should feel that nice stretch in that inner thigh. Relax the shoulders. Keep the neck long so you're looking straight down. Good. Start to make your way back up. Swap those legs over. Other hand on the back of the head. Inhale. Exhale, open. Again, make sure you're turning the head to look up. You might get a few back clicks here. Again, noticing if one side is a little bit less mobile than the other. One more. Good. Place that hand down, go low. Again, just breathe. I can't go as low on this side. A bit of a dodgy knee. Good. Start to make your way up out of that. Come to seated. Cross the legs. Good. So we're just going to take a little side body stretch. Take the arms out. Stretch over. And up and over. Good. Come round, twist, look behind you. And twist, look behind you. Back to centre, chin to chest. Just feel that stretch. Up the back of the neck. Good. Come back up. Big circle with the head. Change direction. Good. Thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button. I hope that you feel good after that and you feel a little bit more awake and a little less stiff. And yeah, I will see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me.